Hi guys, welcome back to Middleton, Ohana, and today we are going to unbox this thing right here. So guys, I think this is the camera that my husband bought for me. So I got it yesterday. I thought that I would get it this Friday. I don't know what day was it yesterday. I think Monday. Yeah. So sorry guys, I don't know, but I thought I'm going to get it on Friday. But yesterday it arrived, so I'm pretty excited, and I really don't know if I'm going to use the camera a lot, but I told him we're just gonna give it a try, and this is his present for me. So this is it guys, I have my knife here. So we'll see if it's the right one, if it's the right kind. Oh my goodness, what's inside? Wow, this is really it guys, oh my goodness. Wow, I have carrying case. Oh, that is so cool, I love this. I love this, it's very small. I thought it would be big, but that is so cute. That's very nice. That is very nice. Yeah, and it's got a strap. Oh, that is so cool. And then you can, there is a strap, so I guess you can put it. Yeah, and then, wow, I love this. I love it. I love this case, guys. Very nice. So let's put it aside for now. Put it aside for now. And then I have this thing. What is this? Ah, for cleaning. This is for cleaning. For cleaning your camera. Like it's a pump. Yeah, it is a pump. And then we have this one. Wow. See this, we got the bundle. So have this. Ta-da! USB. Have this. This is a pretty good bundle. And then I have this one. Memory? Oh, it's a battery. Wow, it's very small. Oops. The battery right here, guys. It's very small. Oh, my Audrey's coming here. That is so cool. I'm excited. And then, what's this? Cleaning. Yeah, it's cleaning kit. It's a cleaning kit. It's got cleaning cloths, universal screen protectors, cleaning spray, mini tabletop tripod, cleaning swab. Where is the tripod? Right here inside? Seriously, it's very small. Let's see. What's inside? It's oh my goodness, look at that tripod. It's super small. I didn't think that I would. Look at this tripod, Audrey. It's very small.
Tripod. Let's see something inside.
It's a tripod, and then the next one is the spray, cleaning spray, and then
another one. What's that?
Q-tips, and the cleaning cloth, and then the screen protector. So that's what inside.
Put it down there, Mama.
Okay.
Right.
That's cool. But I did not expect that the tripod would be super small. You see guys? super duper small.
May I see the tripod?
See?
Wow. This
Wow.
is awesome.
That's awesome. Oh, and a 64 gigabyte of memory card. That's so cool. Do you like the tripod, baby?
Yeah, Mama.
And then I have this one. Is it? It's like pen. Let's see what's in here.
Oh,
It's like a
wow.
cleaning pen or brush or something.
Cleaning pen.
Oh, it is a cleaning brush. See? It is a brush for the camera. Don't take it. You can hold it. And the last but not the least. Ta-da! Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Is this really it? Look at that. Look at that. Awesome. So,
What's inside?
look. Guess what? What's inside?
What's inside?
Guess what?
It's a
First,
charger.
you get a manual here.
It's a charger.
It's a charger. Wow. And what else?
What's
What
inside?
else is inside? Hold on.
Wow, look at this.
Wow, look at this. Oh, the camera. Look at that, Audrey. Wow.
Big.
It's very small, actually.
It's big.
It's actually small. Oh, be careful not to drop it. Ta-da!
Oh,
Look at this,
something
guys.
Inside.
Huh.
Something inside.
I don't know how to use this
Something
first,
inside, Mama.
but there it is, guys.
Look what?
Thank you, my dear
There's something.
husband, for buying this for me. And that tripod is so small.
And a backpack.
That's awesome. Yeah, I love it.
There's
So
something
we'll
inside,
update you guys about
Look,
this
Mama.
thing.
It's a
And
little
then
bit
there was
small,
this.
Mama. It's a little bit small.
It's a little bit small. This one
Oh, this
is
small.
the
This is
handle. Is
small.
the right handle?
This is
Oh my,
big.
that is big.
This is big.
Oh, this is awesome. It's actually really
small.
nice and small.
I like to get this.
You love. Oh my. So guys, we ordered this in Walmart and we had a really good price on it.
Something inside. Ma.
That's so
Something
cool.
inside.
And then what's
No.
more? I have the battery right here. So it comes with a battery and a
And
charger.
backpack.
I
It's
guess-
backpack.
And backpack. I guess you have to charge it first, Audrey.
And a backpack on the I wear it.
Wow. Do you like it, love?
Yeah, Mom. Maybe it works.
Yeah. We need to charge it.
Wait,
Oh,
maybe it works.
yeah. So where is the charger? That's so awesome. It's very small. Look at this, guys. It's super small. Ta-da! See my hand? See Audrey's hand. Ta-da! You like that, love? Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. See you.
Then we're going to charge it. Where is the charger? Right here. So that's how you charge it. Hold on. Yeah. That's how you charge it. It's very
Hey,
good.
Ma, what's that right there?
That's a memory card.
Hey, Ma, this is a memory card for you.
Mm-hmm.
Let's open it.
No, let's open it later. See if you can open it. Can you open it? Oh my goodness.
It's just stuck.
It's too stuck. Oh my
Please help
God.
me. Open it.
Thank you guys for watching our videos. Our first unboxing, and hopefully that mommy will like the camera. Yeah, it looks pretty nice.
It's actually big.
It's actually big?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It's actually big and strong.
Oh my, big and strong.
And then it stop, and a boom, boom, boom.
Oh my, stop, and a boom, boom, boom. Can you sing?
I'm gonna hear that. Boom, boom, boom.
What song do you know to sing? Okay, sing.
Twinkle little star.
Sing it properly, Twinkle.
Twinkle little star. I wondered
What you are.
About Tom and Jerry song.
Okay, how do you sing that? I don't know how to sing that. Thomas Train went to the town.
Tom and Jerry and done.
How about another song?
About Hapu.
Hapu?
I sang Hapu.
Hapu? What's that?
Hapu, Hapu, Hapa, Hapu. Hapa, 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 Hapu.
Oh my.
Hapa, Hapu, Hapa, Hapu. Hapa, Hapu, Hapa, Hapu.
Whoa, very nice song. High five. Very nice. What's your name? What is your name?
Audrey, Eloise, Middleton.
Wow. Is your birthday coming up?
Yeah!
When is your birthday?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? No, when is your birthday?
2 months.
2 months? No, only next month. Next month it was your birthday, and it's very close. Maybe I think over a week or 2 weeks. In 2 weeks it's your birthday. Say bye-bye na, be. Sige na.
Bye, guys. And buying all these things are done.
Say thank you, Daddy, for buying all these things.
Thank you for buying all these things, Daddy. Thank you.
Oh, so sweet. I love you. Alright, guys. Bye. And thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching with time.
Oh my, drop it.
Drop it.
I love you, baby.